Okay. Good afternoon, students. I hope you are all doing well. So, today again we meet, and yesterday we have discussed about Open Office. What is Open Office? What is the digital documentation? How to create a document, digital document in Open Office. Today we will continue with that only. Yesterday we have learned some styles. Okay, so just a quick recap I am doing. You have learned yesterday that page style, paragraph style, character style, these all styles, it will comes under the documentation in the, this is the main window of the, okay, just a minute. Okay, this is the main window of Open Office. I have shared with you yesterday. This is how we will apply styles in a document. So yesterday we have all discussed about the styles and how we can change the style or modify a style. Okay, all this. Today we will see how to apply these styles in Open Office itself by using a document, by creating a document actually. Okay, so first is styles and formatting window, and second one is fill format mode. So actually both modes are different, means the way of doing is different, but it will give you the same result, right? So if you learn one thing, you can apply the other thing as well if you understand it properly. Okay, like fill format mode will give you the same result as well as styles and formatting window. Okay, there is no difference, but the technique is different, means the process is different. Okay, that is it. How to modify a style, how can we create our own style, these all things we have learned yesterday, and as well as I have discussed some question answer also. So today we will quickly move to our Open Office. Like, let me show you the question we will discuss today. This is for our practical session. Okay, this particular task we will do in our Open Office. You will create your own biodata or resume and apply different styles on it. Okay. Now the thing is that what is resume? I hope you all know. Now the thing is that how to do it. First of all, you have to create a main sheet or a blank sheet in Open Office. Right? Okay. So what you will do for this, let me quickly move to my desktop to show you. First we will go to the desktop. Here is my Open Office 4.1.1. So I will open this, as you can see. Now I will choose the text document, and you can see text document has been opened here. Okay, this is my text document. I will little bit increase it. Okay, so here it is. Here is my text document, right? Now here I will add some content, like resume we have to create, right? So what is in the resume, what will be in your resume? Suppose I will writing can be anyone's name. Okay, address, similarly I will write here just address 2. Okay, let me zoom in so that you can clearly see all the writings properly. Okay, now date of birth you can give. It is optional, totally optional. It if you optional, if you want to give in your biodata your date of birth, you can give, otherwise you can skip as well. Okay, now phone number, this is very important. Phone number, and next is email id. Email id, so I have written all the basic things, right? Now next most important thing is that objective of your career. Objective and experience. If you don't have any experience right now, don't worry, you can write it like in your biodata you can make it like I'm a fresher. Okay, and searching for a new job, new opportunity, like that, anything you can add as per your choice. Okay, so experience, education. Okay, now this thing is also optional, reference. Okay, optional. One more thing you can add after the education, that is your hobbies or interest, we can say it, interest or hobbies. So here we are generate a list as I told you yesterday. Okay, so now I am giving one gap. So the main size of the page you can see, I have increased the zoom. I have zoomed the page here. If I zoom out the page, it will looks like this. Okay, the size you can see over here, it is 12. Okay, this one is the size, right? If you see, this is the size 12, right? Now I can increase the size of the text as well. I can change the style of the text, but I will not do it from here in the toolbar. This is a toolbar actually. I will do it from the format option, that is style and formatting, right? Now the thing is that let me make this alignment first. These all are in the left alignment. If I select this, you can see here it is showing left alignment, right? So if I right click over the text, you can see a list has been the alignment styles, bold, italic. This is not in bold, italic, in any style. It is in normal style by default formatting. Size, you can choose any size. You can font style, you can choose from here. So there are many things actually in open office you need to know. If you see, you can do a particular task in a different way actually, right? Now the first thing, I have started this session with the question that you have to create a resume on open office. Now you can use word also, Microsoft Word also, to make your resume. But the thing is that in word, how you will make the things in open office, the things are different. Okay, and it will looks very professional in open office. Definitely you can use more templates, or you can use another, means you can use customized styles of your choice. Okay, I will show you that how to use a customized styles. Okay, but the things are not very difficult actually. If you know the things, you can do it very easily. And one particular thing you can do several way, like I am showing you two several ways. You can right click on it and you can find all these options here. Okay, if you don't want to right click, you can find all the same option from this toolbar up here in the top of the document. You can find a toolbar under this file, edit, view, this menu. You can find a toolbar that is having new open folder option, save option, okay, document file as a email, then print directly, export directly as a PDF. Yes, we can export directly a document as a PDF. Okay, we cannot do it in the previous version of Word. Yes, I must say in the latest version of Word you can save a document as a PDF, but in the previous version, in the older version of Word, we cannot do that. But in this open office we have this feature, that is export directly as a PDF. So you need to know so many things. There are so many options. You can see there are hyperlinks and there are format painter and paste, cut paste options are there. Auto spell correct options are also there. These two are the auto spell correct option. Okay, grammatically if you have any mistake, it will show you like this, okay, by marking it, right? So there are so many options you can follow up from here. Okay, now the text option you can find just after below. This is default style, it has been applied. Now if I apply here, you can see the text has been enlarged, right? The text has been enlarged. If I select heading 1, it will change. Okay, text body, it is changed, right? So you can choose any style. Okay, the by default style has been chosen Times New Roman. So I want to change the style. You can see I have changed the style. Okay, Arial rounded bold, this style I have make, right? So you can apply any style, any size. This is the size, font size. This is the font name. Okay, bold, italic, underline. Okay, if you want to do italic, it will be italic, but must you have to know that you have to choose the text first. Otherwise these options, if you click on these options, it will not work. First you have to select the text that you want to change and then apply the option you want to apply, that the feature you want to apply on your particular text. Okay, now if this is the alignment, if I want to align it center, so I have to click in this center alignment. Okay, now these are the right alignment and justified. Now let me show you from this is the toolbar, total toolbar I have showed you. Okay, now you can change the text color as well. So let me show you text color for once. Sorry, this is not text color. I have fill color. I have chosen fill color option by mistake, so no fill. Now this is a text color, font color, and this is background color. I have chosen the background color by mistake, and this is the highlight. Okay, so text color, if I choose here, let me choose here blue. So you can see the text color has been changed right there. Okay, so these are, you can see these are very simple things you can apply over your text to format your text, to change your text style, text color, text size, or any kind of formatting you will do, right? Now the thing is that we can do individually this, we can apply individually these things in a text, or we can apply a group of things in a text or in a document by applying this format and style, or formatting and style, right? Now I will choose the whole document over here to format this, to change the things over here. Okay, now let me give here. Okay, these are the paragraph. Now you can see this box I can move from anywhere. This is also a feature. in open office that you can move all these boxes. This is movable. Okay, now styles and formatting. Inside the styles and formatting we can have many options, like you can see the list, how much big is the list is. Okay, now there are different things for different work. So if I want a title, suppose this is my title, this will be my title. Okay, now if I want to do it as a heading, content heading. So this is by default, it is coming in content heading format, right? Now you don't know that what is the format or what is the styles given inside. So for that, for checking that what are the styles, what is the font size, what is the font style, what is the font color, just right click on it, go to modify, and one new window will open. You can see tabs, drop caps, background, border, all are given here. And over that, content heading, alignment, see indent and line spacing. See the default indent and line spacing is 00 given here, right? You can change it by clicking on this up arrow and down arrow. This is a down arrow, this is a up arrow, you can change it. Okay, spacing above paragraph is given here 0.42 by default. You can increase it. Okay, I am increasing it a little bit. Okay, and if you click OK, then it will be applied on your particular style. Again, I will go to the modify and open this window. You can see alignment, it is left aligned. Okay, if I do this center align and press OK, see the name has been set. Already it has been came in the center. Now you can understand the change. I hope you have understood the change. You have seen the change, right? Students, I hope you have understood the change, right? As I have changed it, the center alignment, you must see the name is in the left aligned. Automatically, when I applied the style and when I modified the alignment, and then it will become in the center alignment. Okay, I hope you have understood this one. How to modify it. It has been applied and you can see it. The change you can see, right? Okay, now so this part I hope you have understood the modify thing, right? Now coming to a new style. Okay, before that let me write a short note here, like objective. Oh, what will be your objective? Tell me, what will be your objective? Okay, why I am showing you this, so that in future you will just understood or have an idea that how you will make your resume. I am giving my own email ID actually. I am not having any other email ID in my mind. Anyway, uh, Gmail. So you can give your own phone number, your own email ID. This is this number I've given randomly. This is not any phone number. Okay. So address, you can give your own address. You can give your own name. Okay. Even you can add your picture as well. Okay. Now objective, like your career, choice, why you came to this field. Okay, like what is your goal, What is your goal for next 5 years, or like what you want from your career, like anything you can write of your choice, right? Now in the experience you can write, I am a fresher right now. Whoever is watching my video, I hope all of you are student of class 10 or any student like not doing any job or not having any experience. So even if you are having any experience of any kind of part-time job, like online work you have done somewhere, or anything, you can add that, right? So it's not like that always you have to write I am a fresher or something like that. I had no experience right now. So always it will be better if you have experience in your CV, right? Now education. Okay, education, you can add a table in the education, like go to the table, insert, and you can have a table from here. I will show you this table, how to insert table and columns like very in details, but for now I am adding here a table, a small table, just a small table with two columns, like graduation. Okay, not writing graduation, like 10th, and I am writing 10th and 12th. I hope you will understand. I just am writing it roughly, like it is not actual CV. I hope you have understood that it's not actual CV, just I am showing you how to build up a document in open office, right? So with 88% in 2020, say, or say 2022, okay, and 90% in 2000. Okay, it cannot be 2022, right? So it will be 2022. Okay, so this way you can build your CV. Definitely, who will be passed in class 12, it will be running 2023. So I cannot write 2025, right? Okay, in future. So okay, if you want to write in your CV for your future, like 2 years after, definitely you can add 2025, right? Jokes apart, students. So let's continue with this document. Okay, now I have shown you how to add a table. Okay, in very short way I have showed you, but yes, definitely we will learn more about this table. Now let me write the hobbies. Now if you are watching this, just you can say in the comment that what is your hobby. I can add any one of your hobbies, right? Okay, yes, students. So say a student can, painting is my favorite hobby actually. I'm giving my hobbies, right? Painting and traveling, you can say it as your hobby. Actually, traveling is also sometimes comes in your CV as a positive manner. Like who wants to travel or who love to travel, actually they can get a job like that. Okay. Someday I will also like to do some type of job like that. Okay, again jokes apart, and let's focus on this. Okay, so painting, traveling, reading storybook, reading storybooks, this all can be your hobbies or interests. Now I will show you how to style it with a list. Okay, so going to style and formatting. Okay, character styling. Okay, let me show you the character styling as well. Emphasize. Okay, see the pattern has been changed, right? Okay, and now coming to paragraph style and going down, you can see list. Okay, now see the format has been changed automatically. Okay, if you choose number, again it has changed, right? Automatically it has changed. Now in a similar way you can apply list like unnumbered or numbered list like bullets. This is a bullets option. Okay, now you can have many kind of bullets over here, all options are given here. Okay, you can apply numbering as well. Okay, now let's say number 4, if I choose, okay, number 3 and number 4 are yes, number 5 and number 4 or number 3 is slightly different. You can see I have applied a style, number style. Okay, now I have already given here number. If you want to give here bullets, you can have that also. So in the reference I am writing two names, Mr. and like just I am writing randomly two names. Now this one I will make bullet one. Again in the toolbar I am going and taking the bullets, and here I will add another style, list. Okay, let me give a list 3, right? Now list 3 start. Okay, I think you cannot see the whole document properly, so let me zoom it out a little bit. Okay, now I hope you can see the hobbies and the reference portion, how it looks like actually. So this way you can apply the style formatting in number list or unnumbered list like bullets or number you can add. Okay, okay, now going upwards and select this address one, and now I will show you how to add your own customized style. So look at this very carefully, it is going to be very interesting. And if you want to customize your own style, how to do it, you can, okay, you can just first select it, then go to the style and formatting from this format option, or else you can click on this style formatting one, and this again this window will appear. Okay, now go to the right hand corner, top right corner, this is new style from selection, so you can choose here new style. Okay, new style you can choose here and choose here create style. Now you have to give here a name of the style. Okay, so let me give my design 1. Okay, you can see my design 1 has been inserted over here. Now I have chosen here paragraph style, so it has been added into the paragraph styling. If I want to add it in the character styling, I have to choose character style, then I will go to the new style and my new char 1. Okay, okay, my new char 1 has been added. Now how to modify this, how you will know that what are the size, what is the type of the text. Now I will just right click on it. Okay, you can see you can modify it, you can delete it as well. Okay, for the basic styles which are actually present in this open office, you cannot delete it, right? But this one I have created, my new char 1, this one I can delete as well if I want. Okay, now go to the modify one. Okay, now I suppose I want to give some fill color. Okay, this is the background color. Position normal. Font effect is no effect, it has given no effect, so I will give it title effect and shadow. Okay, outline. Okay, outline will looks like this, I will give a shadow only. Okay, now if I giving a shadow, no need to use the background color actually. So if you use shadow and background color, it will not actually visible, it will not looks good, it will not actually view your that font style. Okay, so position, position will be normal as I to show you. Font, now coming to the font, now you can make it italic, you can make it bold, bold or italic. Okay, I am making it bold or italic, size 20, and let's make it some another style like this. Okay, so if I apply this, you can see this has been changed, address 1. Okay, now if I give a address over here like Delhi or New Delhi. Okay, so just I have given here New Delhi, so you can see the style has been changed, right? So now you can understand that how to create your own style. Okay, similarly if I go to the paragraph style, you can see I have added my own design. So like it will be my, it is my design actually, I have added that. This one, my design. So right click on it, you can see modify option is there, delete option is there, new option is there. So let's click on the new option. You can see in the new option also you can change this all things, right? Paragraph name is untitled, so you can auto update it or let it be. You can change the border of the paragraph. Background color, you can fill the background color, any color you can choose and it will be the background color. Okay, and drop caps means you can choose here the drop cap option as well. It will looks like this, like the first letter of the paragraph will be the capital and means the caps will be activated, and other things are like this, like in the storybooks, in the that normally we will see this type of text are given. Okay, sometimes in the textbook also it has been given. Okay, this is called drop cap option. It will looks like this. The uh, after applying the drop cap, how it will looks like, that is given here. Okay, tabs are given here: left, right, center, and here decimal. So you can apply a decimal size of tab also, means you can apply the tabs as per your choice. Here no fill is there, means no tabs has been given, on left tab is has been given, and position is 0 0, so nothing has been applied by default, no tab has been given. Okay, so clicking here, okay, you can change as per your choice. As I show you, you can just right click on it and you can change according to your choice. That is the modification of your styles. Okay, so I hope you have understood. I have elaborately explained all the things so that very carefully you can understood, or very slowly you can understood all the things properly. Okay, now the thing is that many options are there. Maybe I will not explain all the options means thoroughly, but as I have told you, all most of the things, means not all the things I have applied in my document, but most of the things I have showed you how to apply it or how to do it, like the text style, the text color, the font color, the fill color option, or the fill background option. Okay, one more thing I will show you, that is border. Okay, so you can find the border option. Okay, just a minute. Just select the text. Again, go to the style and formatting. Right. So let me choose. Okay, let me choose it default only. So I will modify it as default as well. Okay. Alignment will be centered. Modify again. Indent and spacing. No need to give indent and spacing here. Outline and numbering. No need to give this. Okay, now coming to the borders. Selecting here a border. You can select more thicker one also. Okay, I am choosing this style, that it will set on top and bottom like that. Okay, and organize, I will choose. Okay, I am choosing a background color as well. And okay, so you can see for the paragraph one of in the whole text, as I have chosen the paragraph, in the whole text it has been applied, other than this two, because I have applied the character style in this two, in address 2 and New Delhi, right? So that's why it has been not applied into the character style which I have chosen. Okay, but in the paragraph it has been, or in the whole paragraph it has been applied, the style has been applied, right? So this is how we can form a document in open office. And you can see the lines, this lines has been came here for the purpose I have chosen the border. Okay, now the border option will give you the way of choosing the border, like you can choose the whole border whole over the page as a square border. Either you can choose only one sided border, or only bottom or only top of the page you can choose the border. I have chosen the upwards, the page up, means this one. in the upper page and in the lower page, means in the lower bottom. So in every paragraph, you can see wherever is the paragraph, the style has been changed a little bit. It has what can I say, as I have chosen here the list one, the number list and unnumbered list, a little bit it has been get messed, as so many styles I have chosen in one page only. That why it has been become like this. But all over I have shown you all the options, how can you make it simpler, or simply how can you use it. Okay, now the next thing we will learn, that is how to insert an image. Okay, in this document only I will show you in the next page how to insert an image, right? Okay, for that let me go back to the presentation. Okay, one task is there for you. This one you can do by yourself. Create a pamphlet on cyber awareness. Like a pamphlet means like a handbill type of thing, which will increase the awareness among the students. Like not only students, among the people, you can say, which will increase the awareness among the people, that how the cyber security will be taking an important role in our daily life. Like in a different style, you can write some slogans or some uh, basic things on cyber awareness, which will help people to aware, or which will help people to know what is cyber crime, what is the cyber awareness we should follow. Okay, simple, very simple thing. Okay, just two short paragraph, or four five lines you can write in the open office, and you can decorate it. Like I have shown you how to apply background color, just now I have showed you how to apply background color and all, how to apply the borders. You can set different kind of borders. Even if you set one border for one character, means one line. Okay, like separate, in separate lines for separate text, you can set your separate borders. That also you can do. Okay, just you have to explore the thing. Okay, yesterday I have not told you one thing, that how to download. I think I have not shown you the steps how to download the open office. If you are having a laptop or a desktop in your home, just go to the Google and open the first website after writing open office in the Google, like that openoffice.org.in. That is the official website of open office. So from there you can download the open office, and the latest version of open office is 4.1.1. So you can download 4.1.1 open office, and you can use it very easily, as I am showing you in this class, in this session, step by step. If you follow my instructions and do it in your home, it will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so whatever you will doing, means you are studying, if you don't practice it practically, you can't understand it in a better way. Okay, so excuse me. So as I told you, every time that practice make you better. So you have to practice more and more for better understanding. And definitely computer is a subject of practice. More and more you will practice, more and more you will get in a better way. Even if I am not showing that particular option to you, suppose I have skipped that option because hyperlink, I have not showed you hyperlink, or I have not showed you how to apply underline to a text, right? But you have applied by your own. You just explore the things, you just explore it by your own. Okay, as I have told you, the font color, the background color, you have applied all this. Even you have applied the underline feature also for your text, so it will help you to know more, right? Everything, every single options, maybe I will not show you because it is not needed in my text. So one particular case I will take, like I have taken today, I have explained you how to make your own biodata. Definitely it will help you in your future when you will make your own resume for your job profile, right? So for now onwards, if you practice more and more, you will master on it, right? Okay. So this is your task. You will definitely say, you will definitely tell me how it works, or how you have done this in your home, or what is the difficulties you are feeling to doing this task. Okay. Now I hope you have understood the things I have told you. Now let me move on to the next slide. This is the next portion, or next chap, not next chap, next topic you can say. Okay, this is insert and use images. Now I will not continue more on this today because time is less today. Almost the session is going to be over. Now let me introduce you with the insert image, and next day we will continue with this topic only, and in a different way I will show you. Next day means tomorrow only we will continue with this topic, and I will show you how to insert and how to use the image in a document, how to use the image toolbar in the document, so that you could insert a image, you can place the image in a proper format in your document, even along with the writing, how you can wrap up your text, that also I will show you, and that is very much possible in this document. Okay, so you can see this is the main thing I have given here, written here. Inserting an image file. First is drag and drop. Second is insert picture dialog. So insert picture dialog, how to choose that? First choose insert, then picture, then from the file, from the menu bar, select the picture to be inserted and click open. Now this thing maybe you have done in Word also, if you have used Word. If you have not used Word, then you will see it here only. In the practical I will show you. Okay, so just you have to know, drag and drop means, suppose here is a picture, like this is your main document. Okay, and here is another document, and here is a picture. This is your picture. Now you can you can simply click the mouse on the picture and drag the mouse and drop it over here, so that the picture will come here. Okay, now the picture is not contains here, it will come here, like drag and drop. Or sometimes the picture will contains in the both of the document, here also, here also. Mean like the copy of this picture will come here. That is drag and drop, nothing else. Or suppose a list of picture we are having in our Word document only, in our open office only, some list of picture we are having in default. Okay, so just I will take it from the mouse and drop it in my document wherever I want, and I can click the mouse, drag it wherever I will want to move the picture. Okay, that is the thing we can do with the open office in a document, inside a document. And inserting picture with the help of a dialog box means, with the help of a dialog box we can add a picture like this steps you can follow. Choose insert picture from the file, menu bar, then select the picture to be inserted and click and open. This is the basic things of inserting a picture. Now, okay, inserting picture from a clipboard is a new different thing, okay, that we will learn, okay, and not learn actually, I will show you in the practical. So next day means tomorrow. Tomorrow I will show you how to do this drag and drop, this insert picture inside a document and in the clipboard, using the clipboard. Even we will see how to use a toolbar. Okay, so for today we will end up over here. Again, I am opening the slide for your homework or for your task, that is create a pamphlet on cyber awareness, apply different styles on it. Okay. Now the thing is that you can apply different style, different font styles and paragraph styles, and even if you want to add any picture you can add it. I am giving you a extra job that you can add a picture as well. Tomorrow I will going to show you that how to add a picture. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed my session today and you have learned something really good from this session, I hope, and in future definitely it will help you for making your own resume, right? So let's get end the session over here for today, and always remember, practice and practice make you more better understanding need more practice. So thank you very much. Please like, share and subscribe if you like my video. Okay, and if you like my session, tomorrow must join the session. Thank you.